Welcome to the beauty world of fashion, a world where every detail matters and style beings now just with the dress but with the sleeves. Today we explore sleeve designs now for beauty, grace and creativity. Sleeves are a small part of an outfit, but they make a big difference. They can turn a simple dress into a stylish and trendy outfit in seconds. Let's begin. Sleeve designs are famous for a soft embroidery, delicate lace, modern cuts, and traditional touch. From parties, traditions, and weddings, casual wear also, every sleeve style brings a different charm. Full sleeves are always elegant. They look graceful on long shirts, frocks, and wedding outfits. Sometimes they are plain, sometimes designs, but with lace, beads, and thread work. Full sleeves give a classy, modest, and royal look, perfect for formal events and winter wear. Organ sleeves are one of the most traditional style today. Soft sheets and light, they give a modern and feminine look. Designs include pearl work, floral embroidery, stones, and stylish cuts, beads, satin finish. Organ sleeves look beautiful with luxury lawn, chiffon, and silk dresses. Embroidery on sleeves always bring beauty. Floral, thread work, mirror work, squares, and this style is perfect for weddings, Eid functions, and special parties. Cut work sleeves give a bold yet soft look. They include beautiful patterns cut into the fabric, creating a lace-like design, perfect for evening wear and modern fashion lovers. Cutwork sleeves look amazing and pastel colors and fancy fabrics. Bell sleeves bring a flowery and graceful effect. They flare out at the wrist like a soft bell shape. Ideal for party dresses, maxis, and casual outfits. They give a soft, feminine, and trendy look. Cuff sleeves are neat and elegant. They have a fitting and wrist, bottomless on stylish finish, layers and movement and stylish volume. One layer, double layer, or even 3 layers each. Stylish look, modern and chic. The sleeves look great in chiffon, organs, and gorgeous fabrics. Soft lace at the end or fully lace sleeves both look delicate and beautiful. They match perfectly with wedding wear, maxi dresses, and long shirts, short shirts also. And lace brings a gentle romantic feel to the design. Sleeves show creativity. They frame the hands, add personality to the dress, and make your outfit memorable. Whether you like simple sleeves or heavy designs, there is always stylish for you. Sleeve fashion is all about grace, elegance, and confidence. From traditional to modern, soft to bold, fancy to casual, each sleeve style has its own beauty. Thank you for joining us into sleeve designs. So no matter the event,